Updating AI systems involves significant security threats. ICAS, Edge-to-Cloud solution for embedded systems, provides a secure way to deploy AI applications, such as machine learning models, to remote edge devices and vehicles. Transmitting ML models introduces critical security threats. Remote edge devices often operate in remote or heterogeneous environments, making them vulnerable to unauthorized access, data leaks, theft, or manipulation. Failing to address these risks can lead to severe financial and legal consequences. Robust security measures for AI system updates prevent the most important threats. ICAS AI Update solution ensures robustness, preventing model mismatches, alterations, or execution errors. Security, protecting models from theft and tampering. Privacy, protecting sensitive information encoded in models, both in transit and at rest. The following demo shows the seamless transfer of an ML model from a development system via the cloud to edge devices in an ML Ops workflow. The latest iteration of the ML model is initially trained either on a workstation or in the cloud. When training is complete, the ML model is securely packaged and signed to enable later verification on the device. The package is then uploaded to the ICAS Edge Device Portal, EDP, which manages software installations on edge devices. From there, it can be distributed to one device or thousands. When the package arrives at the device, its signature is verified by the Swissbit Physical Security Module, which intervenes if the package has been tampered with. After successful verification, the ML model is unpacked and installed. The device then begins to receive data, such as image data or other measurements. It is now ready to process the collected data and draw conclusions, such as in this case, performing image recognition in an industrial production environment. Update ML models while ensuring security. Read more at icas.com/wp/secure AI system update. Book your individual demo and send us an email at contact@icas.com.